Understanding the phrase, to be in a jam, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, to be in a jam. This is a common English idiom that can be quite puzzling for language learners. So, let's jump right in and unravel its meaning together. To be in a jam is an idiomatic expression in English. When someone says they are in a jam, they mean that they are in a difficult situation or a tight spot. It's important to understand that this phrase is used to describe non-physical, challenging circumstances, often related to daily life problems or dilemmas. The phrase, to be in a jam, has an interesting history. It originated in the early 20th century. Jam, in this context, is thought to relate to the idea of being stuck or pressed tightly, similar to how jam, the food, is packed into jars. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase in real-life situations. 1. I'm in a jam right now because I have 2 meetings scheduled at the same time. 2. She was in a jam when her car broke down on the way to the airport. These examples show the phrase being used to describe stressful or inconvenient situations. There are variations of this phrase that carry a similar meaning. For instance, to be in a pickle, or to be in a tight spot. Knowing these can enrich your English vocabulary and understanding of idiomatic expressions. And there you have it. We've explored the phrase, to be in a jam, its meaning, origin, and usage. I hope this video helps you understand and use this expression confidently in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next English language learning adventure.